Hey y'all, it's Jacqueline Twillie, and I've got something for you, a free chapter of my book, Navigating the Career Jungle. Now listen, I know a thing or two about navigating the career jungle. At one point, I was literally running to my car after work to cry because of the level of toxic behavior that just kind of felt like a bad movie. I had a VP who was so vindictive. He wanted everyone to praise him no matter what chaos was going on. That's why I wrote this book. So you don't have to navigate your career feeling stuck or alone. Now, this free chapter will help you network smarter, set real goals, and start thriving no matter what's thrown your way. Plus, when you download it, you'll get access to my Dear Resilient Leader newsletter for the latest career tips and invites to live sessions with me where we can dive deeper and take charge of your career. So hit the link, grab your free chapter, and let's get thriving.